You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of words from science, medical terms also, stay tuned. Coenocytic. That's your British English pronunciations. The American would pronounce it as coenocytic, rather with a flap T. The T has the pronunciation of a D in English, in American English often. Coenocytic or coenocytic. It relates an adjective from coenocyte. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.